Hello, so today we are going to look at how to log into Genius and what the functionality of Genius is from a student um, perspective. So here we go. We're going to begin by logging in. So I put my login name up there, up top, and then I'm going to put my password in where the password would go. And I'm going to log in. And right up here in the top left corner, you're going to see that my name is here, so I know that I'm logged in as myself. And the first thing you're going to see is your dashboard. And your dashboard is going to show that you have messages and what type of activity you've had. So it's going to show the time of your login and how many minutes you were logged in looking at a lesson. So keep in mind that your parents can then see that. And then here you're going to see an academic snapshot. So it's going to have the course that you're enrolled in, the day that the course started, the end date of the course, what your grade is, how many assignments you've completed, and then your percentage based off of what you have completed. Now keep in mind that as we look here, this is also going to show what you should have been expected to complete, and it's also going to show that whether you're ahead or behind. You want to stay out of the red because anything in the red would mean that you are behind, and you don't want to be behind. Here on the left, again, at the very top is your dashboard. When you begin to scroll down, you're going to have a place for your student messages. So this is like your email system that would operate within Genius, our student management system. It's going to give you information about how to contact your school. So this is going to be a way in which you can communicate. It's going to give you course information. So all depending what courses you're in and who your teachers are and how to contact your teachers, all that information will be right here. And then very importantly is your academic snapshot. So again, this is going to show whether you're ahead or behind. It's going to give you an idea of what your grade is and your activity. So this will be helpful for you with all of your courses. So it's a good snapshot for how you're doing. And then here is your grade book. Now keep in mind, as a student, this column right here where it says grade, do not get too excited. If you complete 5 out of 239 assignments and you received a 100% on those 5 assignments, your grade's going to look like it's 100. So this would show up as 100 right here in the grade column. But that does not mean that you have 100 for the course necessarily. You still have, 234 more assignments to go, which will impact your grade. So do not be misled by the grade column. It's only your percentage grade based off of the work that you have done. Under student activity, this has the capability of narrowing down to a day the whole way up to the last 2 months. So we're going to leave it on a week, and we can also individualize this to work from a particular date period, and then we can get data. But here's the bottom line. The bottom line is that this is going to show the total number of lessons that you complete each day. Obviously, Saturday and Sunday you can get caught up, but Saturday and Sunday, like if you did all your work on the weekend, this still would show up that you didn't work during the week. So you want to make sure you're actually working during the week as well. And then your school calendar would be here, and then any external links that would be easy for you to want to navigate to can be found right here. So that is a quick synopsis of Genius, which is our student information system, and this is where you want to log in every single day. So we wish you the best, and if you have questions, just feel free to ask. Have a great day.